If you like what you see, I'd love for you to support the channel by pressing the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon next to it to be alerted each time I post a video.
So in my last episode, I made various kinds of pestos, and in this episode, we're going to put those to a good use. So we're making pesto eggs two ways. Now, eggs are anyways my favorite, and when you add this flavor bomb of pesto in it, it just takes it to a whole new level. So to start, let's first go and get some fresh eggs, not from the supermarket as I usually do, but from my friend Dave, who lives down the street. He has hens that lay eggs of a myriad of colors, from the ubiquitous white to blue, olive green, and all shades of brown. And to find out how they look from the inside, let's wait for the recipe. I just love going to his place because he has all these animals, from various kinds of chicken to various kinds of baby birds like these cute little chicks and ducklings, to bunnies, lots of bunnies, and dogs with puppies. And each time I visit him, he's generous enough to give me some freshly laid and colorful eggs, all from his hens, which I absolutely love. I've also learned about some of the varieties of hens. For example, these cuties with feathers on their feet are the silkies, which is a Chinese breed. They're very light and are soft and silky like satin. They also have black skin and bones and 5 toes on their feet, while most chicken have 4. This one with the tuft on the head is a Polish, which is a European breed, while these black ones are Ayam Simanis, which is a rare breed of chicken from Indonesia that has a dominant gene that causes hyperpigmentation, making the chicken mostly black, including the feathers, beak, and internal organs. To make the pesto eggs two ways, I'm going to first make the pesto, and I'm making the mint kind. So we'll just go ahead and pluck some mint leaves from the garden, add the nuts. I'm using walnuts, use some Parmesan cheese, garlic, salt and pepper, and of course the mint leaves. And you blend it all together in the olive oil and you have the pesto ready. First up, let's make fried eggs or sunny side up pesto eggs. For that, spread the pesto a dollop or 2 or even 3. And there is no need to add any additional oil as we have enough in the pesto. And now to see what the insides of our colorful eggs look like, I'm going to take a blue one, a green one, and a chocolate brown one. First in goes the blue, then the green, and then the brown. And yes, they're all just like any regular egg in look and taste. Then we'll let them cook till the white is crisp around the edges and the yolk is still runny. Add a whisper of salt, being mindful that the pesto already has some, tons of freshly cracked black pepper if you're like me, and some chili flakes as well. And there you have it. I like to have them right out of the pan, just as is, or you could use a really dry, crusty piece of bread and just dip it into that yolk and slather all the pesto and the deliciousness together and enjoy. Okay, next up, the scrambled pesto eggs. Here again, we start with the pesto, a dollop or 2 or 3. Crack the eggs. I'm taking 6 for 3 people. Add a whisper of salt, being mindful that the pesto already has some in it. And finish with freshly cracked black pepper. I like to cook the eggs till they're just set and not overcooked, as I like them to be light and creamy and fluffy rather than fully cooked. Best enjoyed right out of the pan with your favorite bread. And there you have it. I'm really trying to be very regular with my videos. So till next time, take care and bye-bye.